Elevate your beverage game and bring the creamy charm of dinner-style milkshake right into your kitchen with a Milkshake Maker Machine, an essential appliance for whipping up indulgent, frothy delights that transform ordinary moments into extraordinary sips of nostalgia. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 Milkshake Maker Machines available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Milkshake Maker Machines. The 5th product on this list is the Hamilton Beach Professional Pro. Are you looking to prepare a sugar-free, low-fat, or protein-rich shake? Satisfy your cravings for creamy shakes and protein-packed beverages with this retro-style, drugstore soda fountain-inspired milkshake mixer. A fabulous addition to any kitchen, this mixer features an extra-large 28-ounce stainless steel cup that is not only dishwasher safe, but also a breeze to clean. With its presence, this mixer is poised to become a standout on your countertop or a favorite appliance in the office. Furthermore, its die-cast aluminum body is equally easy to maintain and dishwasher-friendly, ensuring that post-mixing cleanup is hassle-free. Its design is geared towards facilitating the preparation of larger servings with less effort compared to conventional handheld devices. The mixer is user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for children or other family members who might enjoy whipping up their shakes or milkshakes. Versatile in its utility, the machine is suitable for both commercial use and home enjoyment, adept at creating protein drinks, frozen desserts, hot chocolate, and more. Why wait? Start mixing your favorite milkshake or protein shake with elegance and ease. Its pros are, it's built to last, featuring a 2-speed motor and commercial-grade mixing spindle. It combines style and functionality to deliver delicious milkshakes and other drinks with ease. And it has an extra-large 28-ounce stainless steel cup so that you can mix perfect shakes and even ice cream sodas. However, it takes a long while to blend thick shakes. The Hamilton Beach Professional Pro features a retro look and enables you to create creamy, delicious milk or protein shakes at home. Up next in 4th place is the Proctor Silex 6200. Are you eager to whip up scrumptious shakes, smoothies, and coffee beverages? This commercial-grade 2-speed drink mixer enables you to craft your drinks swiftly and effortlessly. Accompanied by a stainless steel cup, the mixer boasts an activated mixing feature to ensure your beverages are thoroughly blended before consumption. Additionally, it includes a detachable cup guide and cup rest, which aid in maintaining cleanliness when serving drinks at a barista station. Moreover, the mixer is equipped with a robust 300-watt motor, offering you the flexibility to mix at high speeds or to opt for a slower, more controlled blend. Designed for convenience with its dual speeds and hands-free operation, this machine can whip up a delectable drink in moments. Give yourself a moment's respite from your usual coffee routine and explore a world of flavorful lattes, frappes, and more with this exceptional drink mixer. Its pros are, it is powerful and has a classy design. It can be used for mixing coffee and bar drinks, and it can be activated by putting the cup into the cup guide as well. However, its agitator cannot be removed, so to clean the agitator, the directions must be strictly followed. The Proctor Silex 6200 is a great addition to any home kitchen. It has the power and speed control, allowing you to make shakes in a flash. Still haven't found a Milkshake Maker machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Waring Commercial WDM120TX. Who doesn't enjoy a good gathering? For those who love to entertain and create delectable drinks, this mixer is the perfect tool. It's a heavy-duty single-phase unit equipped with 3 speeds and a 10-minute timer, designed to assist you in achieving the perfect shake blend. The large, easy-to-read LCD screen allows for precise control of mixing times and settings, including temperature adjustments, mixing ratios, and the capability to blend cold ingredients into hot mixtures seamlessly. In addition, the mixture features an automatic start and stop switch that safely shuts off when the power is turned on. It also boasts a 3-stage motor control, enabling users to manually adjust the speed up to 600 revolutions per minute. Accompanied by a spacious 32-inch stainless steel mixing bowl and a robust base, this mixer can handle even the heaviest of ingredients with ease. Whether you're preparing ice cream for friends or whipping up a batch of treats for your family, this commercial quality machine will help you stay on course with any project you undertake. Its pros are, its high-performance 1-horsepower motor pairs beautifully with the blender originator. It can blend even thick and chunky ingredients, and it has a 3-speed rocker switch that has a maximum speed of 24,000 revolutions per minute. However, its design is not the best for those who want a classy and sleek look. The Waring Commercial WDM120TX is a versatile appliance that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, from mixing ingredients to whipping cream and, of course, making milkshakes. The second product on this list is the Vitamix E310 Explorian. Are you seeking the perfect tool to craft indulgent milkshakes with ease? This dependable blender is at your service, expertly designed to meet your milkshake making needs. With a professional grade build, including a generous 48-ounce container and a radial cooling fan, it ensures the motor stays protected during those high-powered blending sessions. Its advanced thermal protection system is specifically tailored to prevent overheating, so you can mix up thick, frosty milkshakes without a hitch. This blender is not only sleek and quiet, but also robust, featuring all the necessary elements to create luscious milkshake recipes right at home. It's the ideal companion for whipping up classic creamy delights or experimenting with new creative concoctions. Moreover, it equips your family with the ability to produce perfect milkshakes every time, right in your own kitchen. Confidently go about your day knowing that this blender will consistently deliver top-notch results. Embrace the convenience of preparing delectable milkshakes that align with your lifestyle. This blender is an essential addition to your kitchen, ensuring your milkshake cravings are always satisfied with minimal effort. Get ready to blend up the smoothest, richest milkshakes with unparalleled ease. Its pros are, its blades and the blender itself are extremely strong and should last for many years. It has a 48-ounce container, which is a great size for making milkshakes for a group. And it has a speed control system letting you quickly select the blending speed you need to create the perfect consistency every time. However, its 1500-watt blender is powerful, which tends to make it noisy. The Vitamix E310 Explorian is ideal for making delicious milkshakes and smoothies in a fraction of the usual time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top milkshake maker machine is the Ninja CREAMi. Craving homemade gelato that's both effortless and delectable? Look no further. Introducing the ultimate compact ice cream maker designed with kids and families in mind. Its 7 one-touch programs offer unparalleled simplicity, allowing you to select the perfect consistency for anything from velvety soft serve to rich, dense hard ice cream. But the magic doesn't stop there. Thanks to revolutionary Creamify technology, you can whip up dreamy creamsicles in a single step, while the innovative respin function invites you to fold in tantalizing mix-ins like chocolate chips, sprinkles, and nuts. This isn't just any milkshake and ice cream maker. It's a testament to personalization, featuring a custom cup size selector that tailors your indulgence to your preference. Constructed from premium stainless steel and boasting a robust 800 watts of power, this machine is your ticket to crafting thick, scrumptious shakes and ice cream within minutes. Elevate your creations with its spectacular mix-ins. Swirl in whipped cream, crumble in cookie pieces, or blend fruit puree for an extraordinary twist on classic treats. Experience the pinnacle of at-home dessert and drink making. It's the best milkshake and ice cream maker on the market today, ready to transform your sweet visions into reality. Its pros are, its 7 one-touch programs give you the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and time to knock up a pint of anything you'd like. It has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor that can easily blend through tough ingredients like ice, candy, fruit, and even nuts. Its powerful 800 watts of power is enough to churn out thick and creamy ice cream or shakes in minutes, and it can easily be cleaned by adding water and dish soap into the jar and then blending on high for 60 seconds. However, like the previous product, its powerful motor means it tends to be quite noisy when it's working. The Ninja CREAMi creates and serves up a wide range of creamy, delicious treats. It's easy to use, powerful, simple to maintain, and a perfect addition to any milkshake lover's home kitchen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.